Okay, good morning, good afternoon, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, the higher courts of CHORD. The Honorable William B. Williamson, a supreme being, an omnipotent God, sometimes called, also presiding and co-presiding in an exhibit, if we may proceed and share, supernal, omnipotent, and municipal superior and district courts, checks and balances, areas of contending, uphold life. Circle that area of cartoon phenomena, so to say, that can exact contentions and share and cross-examine to some degree, and subpoena the presence, even of those that are dearly departed. Oh, great. Love, love, love. And that would be something to share this morning at District Court, Reagan Building. Federal agent, sir. And this is Steve, your host over here, in the face of very dangerous situations over here at Jackson Isle apartment complex with ulterior candor and those that are a different kind of energy that is not uphold life. Share and stipulate that if we may, not make a mockery if that could be shared. And an expense account, we have no funds to take that into consideration. When filing and unfiling, these decisions are made in extraordinary circumstances did arise, and nuclear war did go down, and it's even this morning, we're not to be considered a sponge, a nuclear sponge for mischief and capital criminal mayhem by those in and around our residents at the bases, and those that are nuclear composite arsenals in their beingness. Nuclear magic. Sir, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, sir, an honor which we'd all be done for on this morning at 6:39 a.m. and sharing that is our contention and belief as to why we wanted to prevail and preside and protect and save you, even if you didn't want to be saved, and stipulate soberly. So Rick Arroyo and Beto, aka Beto, are the culprits, especially Beto, abuse of aerial phenomena to the maxes that are sucked up like puree. The matrices, very, 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 very many. I disagree. An exhibit of opening arguments as well. Here at the base too. Seal Beach. I disagree. So to get an impartial judge that doesn't have a very lot of much trespasses, one might say, or to waive no contest as just stated.
Hi, and thank you for visiting Chambers Law Firm. In this particular video, we're going to discuss the growth.
There's no such thing as judges that didn't murder at this point in time. So please don't assemble an unlawful assembly of predicate triers on Ricky Arroyo's behalf and laugh in our face. Please. Beto's too. Any objection, any contention to the contrary? So no contendo is entered as higher than the president's clearances and security clearances. We're the creators, by the way. So to protect us from their areas of Steve is vulnerable, or you're in the wrong profession, please, so stipulated. And don't bring Kathy over here to murder us or try or lie. See, Jesus said murder as many as the record will share. It's never supposed to have happened and be goings on. Stipulated love is not to murder us and rectally inseminate us to death. Inside, no such thing as what you just heard and saw. Cartoon phenomenon image that can intercept. We're not no sponge for mischief like you're trying to do and are doing right now in the act. SEAL Beach Commander and Commander-in-Chief the same. Something to say about sucked up by Hispanic areas of slurped, your matrix souls, your embodiment to turn into a creature that looks like the president's, but really is like a Count Dracula scene. We'll show you and we'll share more if you'd like it. So stipulated all that though. And Beto and Rick are at the helm, Rick Arroyo, of the anti-equation. Got that? So stated. For the courts to deal their own drugs, don't put that one before us, please. Highest clearances, or else get another job, stay out of the way. If you gotta put someone in jail, it's not this guy. Thank you, sir. Don't judge otherwise, please. If I know you're a murderer, as many as you did, and still wanting to try. So I need someone to remove Ricky in the presence of whoever, however. The infiltration has entered the Jackson Isle residence complex, which we also shared and stated is our property now by default. You all sided and situated. Nuke us and kill us all better. And after 8,000 saves, atmospheres are not a dime a dozen, so to share and so to stipulate. Areas you wouldn't be here yourself, forgot all about that. So please don't psych the situation. Take his microphone from him. That'll teach him. Like I see the back talk you're giving, you're not supposed to be giving. Somebody over here and there. So by authority vested in whoever, however, no murdering, no raping, no doing the stars, and the universe is up, with devil-type rectal insemination murder tricks. No matter who said to do that, don't do that, please. Your Honor, that complaint. And there it is. Here's a quick little, tiny little overview. Thank you, sir, Your Honor. There's a high court's accord. May good words, good thoughts, and good deeds steer our paths of fate. In these areas of the sentence always came, rest assured, and love, love, love. It can be an angry word sometimes. Nevertheless, please remove yourself from the property then. And don't come up back and make sure you make your payment restitution due, because to Steve here and Nancy's regard, and don't tease with bad intentions across the lines. Please, if and when you claim a hard body, a prisoner, or a cross to bear.
If you're used to going to the Hosmer building for district court services, you need to know they have moved downtown to the county city building. District court handles hearings for issues like traffic infractions, criminal misdemeanors, and protection orders. The public counter is now accessible on the second floor.
Let's fight about it.
Entrance.
Our caseload is in the neighborhood every year, someplace between 175,000 and 200,000 cases per year. And so in a county of 800,000 people, we obviously have some repeaters, but we touch probably more people in Pierce County than any other government agencies.
If you're coming for traffic violations, you'll be using the new courtrooms on the first floor.
Presiding
Judge Pat O'Malley says the move gets district court services centered in one place and will help with staff efficiencies.
Would have been afforded.
The clerks all are being trained, so they're interchangeable. It gives us tremendous.
And that's all for now. Thank you, gentlemen.
It's a really innovative step. Not a lot of courts have done, and I think it dispels the notion that government is not creative or adapted to this economy.
District Court handles more than 175,000 cases a year.
It's 6:39. It's 6:49 a.m. the 16th Sunday, July 2017. Over and out, sir. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, exalted, sir, and honoraries, consul. Amen, amen, and over and out, sir.